Hello guys, in today's video I do have the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera and I'm going to tell you how you can easily switch modes in this camera. It's one of the easiest things you can actually do on this camera. Tap this icon over here, this camera icon in the bottom left corner, and now here, as you can see, we have video, photo, super night, subject tracking, slow motion, and time lapse. And now here, if we leave it as it is for a second, we will have this mode enabled. So let me, for example, open the subject tracking over here. Wait a moment. And now, as you can see, track the subject automatically after recording starts. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.